Electricity forms the basis of our daily life, economy, and future. By 2025, 45% of the power supply in Germany is targeted to come from clean energy, such as water, wind, and solar. This forces distribution grids to host an ever-increasing amount of generation sources, which is not what they were originally designed for. It can lead to overvoltages, fast aging of grid equipment, and increased likelihood of blackouts. The Gridhound Grid Monitoring Unit, GMU, enables distribution system operators to monitor their grids efficiently and inexpensively. This gives DSOs the information they need to take corrective actions and helps prevent damage to the grid.
Distribution grids are in the middle of the energy transition because they have to take the majority of new renewable energy sources. We are moving from passive delivery of energy to the so-called active distribution network, where local generation is playing a vital role. Gridhound introduced a new idea of monitoring as a service to reduce the cost of this transformation.
The GMU is a cloud-based application providing grid monitoring as a service. It allows DSOs to detect violations of system operating limits and even to predict them in advance. The GMU's novel data-driven approach to grid monitoring performs grid voltage estimations with very few measurements, which keeps monitoring costs low and allows a smooth, incremental introduction of the grid monitoring. Data-driven means that the application must be trained with a large set of data matching different grid operating conditions and weather conditions. In operation, the GMU maps the actual operating conditions to the patterns learned during training. To reduce the computational complexity, the distribution system is divided into several sections, and the GMU performs separate voltage estimations for each section. The GMU is simple to install and easy to maintain. Its flexible and scalable architecture allows additional measurement points to be added over time. And with each measurement point, the voltage estimation becomes more accurate.
The GMU enables monitoring by precise voltage estimation. It helps to extend the lifetime of the grid equipment, and it reduces costs by allowing optimized maintenance.
The Grid Monitoring Unit is developed by Gridhound, a technology spin-off of the Institute for Automation of Complex Power Systems in Aachen, Germany. The Gridhound team of software developer Arthur Loven and electrical engineer Mohsen Ferdowsi has over 14 years' experience in application development and distribution grids. They're supported by the professors Antonello Monte from RWTH Aachen University and Andrea Benini from the University of South Carolina. Gridhound, distribution grid monitoring as a service. Perform voltage estimations, prevent grid damage, and operate distribution grids more efficiently.